In this video, I'll show you how you can deploy your project on Netlify. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So once you are on Netlify, click on these projects, and from here you can see all your projects. To add a new one, click on Add a new project. From here you can choose either import an existing project or start from a template or deploy manually. So I'm gonna choose this one. And from here you need to drag and drop your file. So I'm gonna choose my zip site. So this one, sandbox site. So you just need to drop it here. And then it's going to deploy your site. So you need to wait a second. So as you can see, all files already uploaded. So you can see this deploy log here. And as you can see, everything is completed. So this means our project is successfully deployed here. Then you can choose on project overview here. And from here, you can add your custom domain. And if you click on this link, this will open your app in new window. So as you can see, this is your app. And that's it. That's how you can deploy your project to Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.